Your left side of your body and your right side. So this whole long piece right here in your this is your lesser curvature. This whole thing is your right gastric artery because it's supplying all the right side of your stomach. And then this right here, you don't see the rest of it, but this is all your left gastric artery. This little nub piece here, this little piece is your left gastric artery, and that supplies the whole left side. This is nothing that you have to know. Don't worry about it. And then the parts of the stomach, do you guys know those? Like, do you know what this part is? The cardia. And then this top part is your fundus. Because you know you're full when your fundus is full. It's the last part of your stomach to get full. If you eat, it's going to go. Gravity's going to take it down. And then eventually gets full and full. And then, so this is your... Yep. And what's the artery on there? Right gastric.
Right gastric artery. The left gastric.
And so what's this curvature?
Greater curvature.
And what's this?
Duodenum? No.
It's your pylorus.
Pylorus.
And then that makes the pyloric sphincter when it enters the duodenum here. This is your pyloric sphincter.
So where exactly is the duodenum?
The duodenum is right here. All this. So this is your duodenum, and then your duodenum comes... Take this here. So you see this little like yellow circle? And then you see this yellow circle on the back? That's where they connect. So it connects like this. It's sitting here, kind of like something like this. And yeah, but so then the contents go into your jejunum, which is this top half. They go through here. And then this is like an imaginary line right here. And this is your ileum. And then the contents go through your ileum. Then you hit this ileocecal junction, which is this little like colored dot in here. And then this whole thing is called your cecum. And your cecum is just where your small intestine meets your large intestine. And so then this is all large intestine. So you have your ascending colon coming up, your transverse colon coming across, descending colon going down, and then this curvy part right here, that's called your sigmoidal colon. And then you have the rectum is the brown part. And then this little worm-like finger is called your appendix. It's your vermiform appendix. And then on your colon, this is this line coming through, and that's called your tinea coli. And then each one of these little squares all the way around that is like divided by that are called your claustra coli. And so if we were to tag it, we'd like take one of these, like put a pin in one of these and say, be specific, what is the structure? And then if we just put like one in the middle, kind of, we'd say, in general, what is this region? And so if we put one like here, we'd say the transverse colon. And then,
I have a question about the appendix.
Yeah.
Can we just call it the appendix on the exam, or do we?
I think we should put vermiform appendix, because that's the proper name. So vermiform appendix. And then as for the arteries on the back of here, so this is how our body is. So we got the right side and the left side. I'm going to put my hand on here so we know that this is the right side. So we have our right. So we have two arteries on the right side that you have to know. The right colon artery is the top one right here. You don't have to worry about these little branches. And then this one that goes straight down is going straight to our ileum, the bottom part of our small intestine. That's your ileocolon artery. So we have right colic and ileocolon. So it's right colic, and the ileocolon goes straight down. Then on the left side, the acronym goes L, S, and S. So we have the left colic artery on the top here. And then this next part comes out, and you have all these branches that are going to your sigmoid colon. So it's your sigmoid colon artery. So you see all these little branches here? It's all sigmoid. And then this one that's closest to the midline here, it's going straight down to your rectum. That's your superior rectal artery. And so it goes L, S, and S.
Yay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.